Welcome once again. Let's talk about Papercoin. Now, Papercoin have actually hit over 21% increase in price in the past 7 days, and as of today, Papercoin is hitting almost 5% increase in price. This is amazing to see this coin rising, increasing so fast. In fact, over 98 million, almost $100 million has been pumped into Papercoin in the past 48 hours. People are buying Papercoin right now because the coin is rising. People are investing. People want to make profit. And remember, most traders that trade Papercoin right now have really made good profit with Papercoin. And I'm happy to see that Papercoin is really pumping. Papercoin is really rising. And this coin does not belong. Papercoin started, and right now, they have actually earned a lot of profit for those that invested on Papercoin earlier. Now, today, almost 5%. And of course, in the past 72 hours, Papercoin is now hitting 21% increase in price. That is amazing. And I'm hoping for more increase. I'm hoping for more price increase, for more pump. And I believe if Papercoin continue like this before the end of the year, they might be ranked among the top 20 crypto coins with the highest market cap. They will be ranked among the 20 highest crypto coin in the world. So for me, this coin have proved to be one of the new modern coin that actually almost want to repeat what Shiba Inu did. But I believe they still have a long way to go, but I still believe they're going to hit more price increase, more price rise. So I hope for this coin to continue this way. I hope for Bitcoin to continue pumping till the end of the year, and also hope for the coin to delete a lot of zeros. But right now it's pumping. But if you want to invest, remember, can do your own research. This is not a financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decision. Let's keep hoping and let's keep on supporting Papercoin, and I wish this coin to burn more coins in order to help push the price more. Once again, thank you for stopping by.